guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the brake pads on your Eride Pro. Kind of the same similar situation with other similar type of bikes. So let's get started. So there's this pin you want to remove first. So you can do that by clipping in something for leverage, or just pull it out with your finger depending on how much grease and buildup you have. As you guys can see, I have a lot. So you want to essentially undo this one. The other side is just a tensioner, as you can see. So once you get it open a little bit with some wiggle, you can take that clip out. I had to use a pair of vice grips, but I got it off. It's essentially just a little piece like that that secures the other side. So once you have that, you want to put it somewhere. You just want to remove this one. Once you remove this, just put it away. This is what's holding your brake pad in place. There's your brake pad. So mine are actually still pretty good, but I wanted to replace them anyways. This is the clip that holds them together. You don't want to lose that clip. They come like this. So you kind of put both on, and there you have it. Clip it in this way. So we'll put these down for now because we're actually not done. We're gonna switch to a bigger torque wrench and an Allen wrench, and we will open this one up. All right, so once you get in here and untighten these two, this will release your brakes. Just be very careful to not press the brakes on your actual handlebars, okay? Don't press them down because you will have to push these two individual pistons back in. So once you get these two off, the brake is now ready to go. So now's a good time to kind of clean your brakes. Better to use brake cleaner, but I don't have that at the moment, so. All right, once your brake's clean, you just put it there, leave it there for now. As you can tell, these pads, I'll put them right next to the other ones. These pads are in much better shape compared to the old. So these are the old and these are new. Still got some more use out of these, but just wanted to upgrade. So you just put them in like this on both sides. Okay, just like that. Sometimes they go in from the bottom or the top, depending on your bike or your brakes. And there we are. Then you use the old pin that we took out in the beginning. Thread that bad boy in. Not super tight, but just tight enough. Okay, then we grab our little securing piece. Now this isn't a requirement, but it is an extra little safety measure on these brakes. So if you don't have that piece, don't fret it. It's already threaded in on the other side, so you don't necessarily have to worry about that. When your brakes are aligned, go ahead and just put both of the bolts in here just to secure it, but don't tighten it too much, okay? We want to make sure our positioning on our rotors is exactly where we need before we tie the brakes down. Yeah. Yeah, good. Very, very heavy brakes. So we're right in there. That positive alignment, and you can see the brakes. Nice and tight. All right, now back to the front. So the same situation with the front. First we're gonna take this little guy off. All right, you leave it on there. Now this top screw, this top bolt rather, some buildup in there. All right, we'll leave that guy right there. And then now, all right. All right, once you get that off, same situation, the brakes should just come right off. These ones look a little bit more worn, and looks like they're rubbing on the rotor a little bit. Good thing we took them out. Out with the old, in with the new. Push them up, align it, make sure it's good, it's in there correctly. Perfect. Push that little guy back in, line up your brake, thread your bolts in. Not too much pressure at first.